How to change language on Netflix on phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Netflix on your phone. Simply log into your Netflix account. You'll find your account on top. Simply click on arrow-like option beside your name. Then you'll find all these profiles pop up which you have logged into. Click on Manage Profile. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Display Language, which is the third option. After you have clicked on Display Language, you'll find all the language pop up. Select the language you prefer. After you have selected the language you prefer, you will find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, language has been changed in this way. This is how to change language on Netflix on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.